Hello everyone, and let us start one example on Stokes theorem so that we can clearly understand the concept of Stokes theorem. So here the question is evaluate integral over C 4y dx plus 2z dy plus 6y dz, where C is the curve of intersection of x square plus y square plus z square equal to 6z and z is equal to x plus z. So here the given region is intersection of sphere and plane. Sphere and plane. An intersection of sphere and plane is a circle. So we will evaluate this integral over circle. So we use Stokes theorem here. What is our Stokes theorem? Stokes theorem is integral over a closed curve C f bar dot dr bar is equal to double integral over S del cross f bar dot n cap ds. So this is our Stokes theorem, line integral connected with double integral. So we are going to solve this example using Stokes theorem. I need f bar. So f bar is equal to, it is given from the given integration, we can write f bar 4y I bar plus 2z j bar plus 6y k bar. So I get my f bar. Now I have to use Stokes theorem, means I am in need of or I require del cross f bar. So we will find that del cross f bar is equal to determinant I bar j bar k bar dou by dou x dou by dou y dou by dou z, and here 4y f1, then f2 2z, f3 6y. Okay, so this determinant we have to evaluate. Let's evaluate it with me. I bar, here first column and first row we omit, and dou by dou y of 6y, it is 6 minus dou by dou z of 2z, it is 2. So I bar into 6 minus 2 minus j bar into with respect to x derivative of 6y is 0, and with respect to z derivative of 4y is 0. So here 0 minus 0 plus k bar into with respect to x derivative of 2z is 0, and with respect to y derivative of 4y is 4. So here 0 minus 4. So what will we get here? 4 I bar minus 0 j bar minus 4 k bar. So 4 I bar minus 4 k bar. This is our del cross f. Now we require n cap, and to find n cap we have to understand the concept of given region. What is exactly the given region? As I told you, the given region is a circle. So which circle is there? First we will write down the given region. This is our equation number 1. Now given region is x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 6z. We will write it properly. X square plus y square plus z square minus 6z is equal to 0. So here x square plus y square plus z square minus 6z plus 9 is equal to 9. I add and subtract 9 so that I get a perfect square. That is x square plus y square plus, here I get z minus 3 bracket square and is equal to 9. So this is a sphere with center 0, 0, 3 and radius is also 3. So this is our sphere, given sphere. Now one more plane is given here. So here z is equal to x plus 3. This is our plane. This plane is given, and we know that a sphere cut by a plane, we get a circle. Now the question is whether that circle passes through the center of sphere or not. Depend on that, great circle and other circles are there. So we can see that concept also. But here one plane is given, z is equal to x plus 3. Now call this as phi. This is my phi. Phi is equal to, we write x plus 3 minus z is equal to 0. Right? So we use this phi. We use this phi to find value of n cap. Now n cap, as we know that n cap is equal to del phi upon mod of del phi. So I require del phi and mod of del phi here. From vector differentiation, we know that del phi is I bar dou phi by dou x plus j bar dou phi by dou y plus k bar dou phi by dou z from vector differentiation. So here del phi is equal to I bar dou phi by dou x. Dou phi by dou x, it is 1 plus j bar dou phi by dou y. There is no y here, so our answer is 0 plus k bar dou phi by dou z. It is minus 1. So I get I bar plus 0 j bar minus k bar. This is our del phi. Now I can find mod of del phi. Mod of del phi, that means magnitude, is equal to under root of coefficient of I bar its square. So it is 1 square plus 0 square plus minus 1 square. So your answer is 2. So we get the answer root 2. Now n cap is equal to del phi upon mod of del phi. So I bar minus k bar upon root 2. Now let us find del cross f bar dot n cap. Del cross f bar dot n cap is equal to del cross f bar is our equation 1. 4 I bar minus 4 k bar. In between 0 j bar is there, no need to write that. So 4 I bar minus 4 k bar dot product with I bar minus k bar upon root 2. So I get here, we know how to take dot product. I bar dot I bar is 1, k bar dot k bar is 1. So here 4 minus minus plus 4 upon root 2. So our answer is 8 upon root 2. So this is the value del cross f bar dot n cap. Now here the given surface is a circle. So we use Stokes theorem, integration over a closed curve C f bar dot dr bar. This line integral we have to evaluate is equal to double integral over s del cross f bar dot n cap is equal to 8 upon root 2. Right? And circle is there, means two-dimensional structure. So ds 8 upon root 2 ds is equal to 8 upon root 2 constant double integral ds. So double integral ds is nothing but area of circle. So here 8 upon root 2 area of circle. Area of circle. And we know that area of circle is pi r square. So 8 upon root 2 pi r square. But here radius of that circle, if you see carefully, it is a sphere cut by a plane at the center, because 0 0 3 is the point and radius is also 3 is there. So 3 radius is square. So our answer is 72 pi upon root 2. Thanks for